In this video, we'll be reviewing investing.com. So if you've ever Googled a stock ticker, chances are you've landed on investing.com. It's one of the biggest financial data sites in the world and it's completely free to use. But is it actually good? Or is it just a cluttered, ad-ridden nightmare? Today, we're doing a full deep dive into investing.com. Well, without further ado, let's try and answer that question. So first off, what exactly is investing.com for those of you who aren't certain? Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of a financial website. It's not a broker. You can't buy stocks directly here. Instead, it's a massive aggregator for everything market related. Founded back in 2007, it's grown into a beast that covers stocks, forex, crypto, futures, you name it. Its main selling point is you get a ton of data without paying a dime. But as we'll see, that free price tag comes with some trade-offs. So let's start with the good because there's a lot to like here. First, the sheer amount of data is absolutely bonkers. Real-time quotes, detailed charts, financial statements, news feeds from all over the world, it's all right there. If you're looking for a one-stop shop to get pulse on the market, this is it. Second, and this is a great feature, the economic calendar. This thing is legendary among traders. It shows you all the upcoming events like inflation reports, job numbers, central bank announcements, along with their expected impact on the market. It's incredibly useful and honestly one of the best free ones out there. Third, the tools. We're talking portfolio trackers, custom screeners, and the ability to set really specific price alerts that can get sent right to your phone. For a free user, having access to this level of functionality is pretty powerful. However, now we need to cover the not so good stuff. So using the free version means battling a jungle of banners, pop-ups, and sponsored links. It can be visually overwhelming and sometimes just plain slow and annoying. This is the direct cost of using a free service though, and it's a big one for a lot of people. Another major issue is customer service, or from what users report, the lack thereof. If you have a problem, don't expect a quick fix. Support is primarily through email, and the consensus is that it can be slow and oftentimes unhelpful. I would say it's important to note that customer feedback is not an easy metric to measure because the happy clients don't generally have anything they need to say online, whereas the angry client definitely will. So just something to keep in mind. So to solve the ad problem and get more data, there's investing.com Pro. This is their premium subscription. It costs, well, it varies from time to time. I'd rather you check it yourself. But let's say anywhere around $25 to $30 a month if you pay monthly, or less if you pay annually. So what you get here is an ad-free experience, advanced screeners and tools, proprietary features, so this includes their pro picks and stock selection strategies, fair value calculations, and company health scores, so forth. Alternatively, there is also a Pro Plus plan, which just gives you access to everything from Pro and a few more advanced tools. So, in my opinion, for the casual investor who just checks their stocks once a week, you don't really need this. You can live with the ads. But if you're a serious retail investor or an active trader who uses the site daily, the Pro subscription starts to make a lot more sense. The ad-free environment alone will save you some sanity. So at the end of the day, investing.com is a crowded, noisy, busy, but incredibly well-stocked financial supermarket. You can get almost anything you need, but the shopping experience can be a bit chaotic. For the price of free $99, that's a trade-off millions of people are willing to make. I'm curious though as to what your experience has been. Are you a free user who doesn't mind the ads, or have you taken the plunge and gone pro? Let us know your experience. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.